So Travis just showed up. This is him out here in the white car. I'm about to shoot him with this thing when he starts walking this way. Here he comes.
Oh, fuck you! God damn.
I'm done. Oh.
Don't you fucking start.
I'm done. How you feel, sir?
I feel great.
I'm not gonna do it again.
I never felt so alive.
I got it. You got it. Yeah.
No, stop it!
Hold on. Come here.
You got me in the chin and the shoulder.
But I got Travis good earlier. I got hit motherfucker good. I'm not gonna actually shoot you. I'm not gonna shoot you. I was more scared Lola got out. I was like, oh fuck. That was good. Thanks for being filming, Travis.
Whatever. It didn't even hurt. It literally felt like a raindrop.
Well, I fucking forgot to ring it up, so I only got a few bullets out the first time. And then I rang it up, and I was shooting long distance too. I was like, fuck, I got Travis good. Travis is like past the 240.
Yeah.
And then I got lit his ass up. Ain't that right, Travis?
Yeah.
Hey, you calm the fuck down, okay?
Alright.
I apologize.
Did you get
New metal gaskets is actually really nice because I had shitty gaskets before. But new eBay Turbo. What's up, guys? I'm here with another video. I'm so excited. Finally, it took forever to come in, but as you can see, as I opened the box, the new turbo came in finally. It's just a cheap eBay Turbo. All I needed, it'd be mint. Super excited for that. I filmed a couple clips of me putting sensors in. I'll put that clip right here. So these are the new parts we got. Or I got. This is a new temp sensor, so I can plug that new wiring specialist harness all the way up because I have a 95 and the harness is for 96 plus temp sensors. And this is a new AFR sensor, a new wideband sensor, whatever, because mine shit itself last event. So we're gonna put those on today. That'll be really super easy. Let's get to it. All right, so first things first, I gotta take off the old temperature sensor and put on the new one. This will be rather easy. So might as well just do some YouTube magic, right? See that? Easy peasy. Got the new one on. So now I actually plug this plug in. My AFR gauge. Actually, I don't know if you can see it. It's down there under the car, on the bottom of the downpipe. So now I gotta lift the car up. This right here is the struggles of not having a garage yet. Oh, let's see here. Wideband sensor is literally right here on the side of the exhaust. It's hard to see, especially with this badass camera. Maybe you can see it there. I don't know, I'm gonna take it off really fast and change it out, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, it was annoying just because my kit and everything was awkwardly in the way. So, whatever. We got the old one, that's the old one. New one's all ran. That's gotta plug it in. I'll plug it in later. And I'm back. Today we're gonna put the new turbo on. I gotta clean the intercooler piping, and I need to drain the oil and put brand new oil in it and make sure there's no metal shavings. And if there is metal shavings, I'll flush it once or twice more, and hopefully that's all good. I really don't want to pull the motor again, and I don't really plan on it right now because I did it too many times last year. 4 times to be exact, but besides the point. So let's get to the video, I guess, and hope y'all enjoy today. Finally, it's a beautiful day, so got the turbo out here, got the tools, and got the car, I guess. So I guess time to get to work on it finally, because it's been 3 days since I got the turbo, but it's just been raining, so haven't done anything, but here we go. So all the fucking studs, if it'll focus, are fucked up because the manifold is made a little awkward, I think, or the turbo is not drilled perfect. So the turbo went on really hard and fucked up all the studs. So I'm trying to fix them up really fast. Pain in the ass, but this should work. Give me a few more minutes. All right, finally got all that shit situated. Got all the bolts hand tight right now. Now I gotta actually fucking tighten it up and hook it all up. So after struggling and busting my knuckles like 15 times, finally got all these bolts tightened. This one in particular back here was a fucking bitch. That's what busted all my fucking knuckles up. But it's all good. Now I gotta hook the feed and the drain line up and the downpipe. So should be easy, I think. So I thought I ordered the same exact turbo I had before, like literally the same exact one. I did get the same specs, but for some fucking reason, so the downpipe, it is the right flange. It just hits the fucking steering rack now with this new turbo trying to bolt it up. I cannot get it to actually line up all the way. It hits the steering fucking arm. So I guess I'm gonna get somebody to custom make me a fucking downpipe. Always something. It's always something. It does look good on there. It looks brand fucking new because it is. So I got the turbo on, but the downpipe is now wrong. I don't know why. It just doesn't line up right. It lines up to the flange just fine. It just clocks it too far sideways and hits the steering arm now. I'm gonna kill two birds with one stone. The lowest part of my car is my exhaust because the downpipe is so long. So I'm gonna get a custom downpipe so it tucks it up higher, and I won't have to worry about it being so low, and I fix my downpipe issue. So two birds, one stone. So that'll be the next video, I suppose, because I have to get that done before I do anything else, really. Always something with stupid fucking cars. But I appreciate you guys. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe.